All right, you ready for a super awesome fifth wheel? Here we go. 2023 Riverstone Legacy 39 RKFB. This thing is awesome. That full body paint job probably caught your eye. It looks great. This fifth wheel is 42 feet, 7 inches long, 102 inches wide, dry weight, about 16,000 pounds. There's a little bit of variation in there depending on how you option it out, but it's not a small one by any means. 79 gallons of fresh water, 80 gallons of gray, 80 gallons of black. It's got two awnings on it, a 12-foot and a 20-foot. You probably know these Riverstones better than me. Top of the line everywhere. Just a peek in here. You can see that water manifold on the far side there. We'll see that in a little more detail in just a second. Giant propane tanks. I always tell folks the finishes, the name brand appliances that come in this, all the stuff that you can see when you walk in and see from 30,000 feet, you know, the stuff that's obvious is super nice and eye-catching, but what really sets these Riverstones apart is the way that they're constructed. Just a step ahead of everybody else. Here's your battery disconnect, water filter, water connections. There's the handle for all your knife valves. Open this other side up and we can see the water manifold here. There's the control for the hydraulic, 6-point hydraulic jacks, auto leveling, 1500 watt inverter right there. It's access for your hydraulic system. This has a Truma on-demand water heater. Really nice wastewater management system on this. It comes with its own hose. Look at those Goodyear tires. It's a cool storage space, but trash can fits down there. You can actually drop your trash from the inside and then empty it out here. There's also a lot of really intuitive design ideas like that on the Riverstone. This is cool. Main power connection right there on that reel. That is powered. So you just press that button. It'll reel your power line in. Got a hitch on the back. That's rated for 300 pounds right there. You can haul some cargo on a hitch hauler. Why not put a TV right here? Maybe we're tailgating or we've just got a beautiful campsite, but our favorite show's on TV. Why would we miss out? See that camera above the door? It's a nice security feature. Somebody's pounding on your door in the middle of the night. Why don't you see who it is before you open the door? And then check this out. There's a camera right here on your markers. So you can actually see what's going on the side of you. When you're driving down the highway, really eliminates blind spots. It's a nice measure of safety. All right, let's check out the inside. Beautiful finishes, top tier cabinetry work. That desk has become so popular in the last couple of years with more and more people working remotely. That furniture is super comfy to sit in and relax. Check out that light up there. That's neat too. And then I love in how they did the division on the ceiling, right here in the kitchen area. It gives you really a feel of being in another room or dividing that space up. Right here we've got a Fisher and Paykel dishwasher. Very high-end appliance there. Residential range and oven. People always ask and joke about cooking a turkey in the RV. I don't think that's unrealistic in that oven. It's a Samsung microwave. And then check out that tile backsplash in there. I've had professional tile guys look at these in person and make comments about the quality of that work. All of the cabinetry and the doors have soft close hinges on them. They're laid out and designed and thought out really well, very intuitively. And not just in the kitchen, throughout the whole coach. And when you start looking, there is just tons of storage space. What do you think of this gray furniture with the white cabinetry? I think it looks pretty good. Every detail on these is awesome. So you get a shade right here, or you can pull down a blackout shade. And they're cased in really nicely. I mean, I'm not kidding you. If you've never seen a Riverstone in person, do yourself a favor. You're going to be impressed with the quality. The Legacy comes with a washer and dryer already equipped. And then this is cool right here. I'll show you more of this from the other side, but just another one of those intuitive, great designs. Just remember that space. I'll show you in a second the other side. That might be dead space on another coach, but not in a Riverstone. So we've already got solar panels installed on top. There's a control for the Truma water heater. Firefly control board here. There's nothing better than that. That thing is super intuitive to use. In fact, one of my favorite features on that, it gives you an option to turn on or off all lights in an area. So you've got all this great lighting in the kitchen. You don't have to turn all those on or off individually. Kind of a cool feature. Okay, so stepping up into the bedroom, we've got a king-size bed there. All finished out really nicely. And you remember in the kitchen we saw the soft close hinges and the drawers. It's the same throughout the whole coach. They don't skimp anywhere. That last thing I just showed you is cool. That's an air return for the AC. And this system, it's actually slipping my mind what that's called, but there's a couple of them. Oh, real quick, this is what I was pointing out in the bathroom. So you've got a laundry chute right there. Kind of a small thing, but probably makes your day-to-day life just a little bit better. Might have been wasted space on another coach. There you can see that soft close in action. Look at this beautiful bathroom. Double sinks. I love this closet in here. Shower's cool, awesome. And I couldn't pull the bench down with one hand. Sorry, I'm holding my camera in my other hand. So here's the closet. This thing also comes with a Dyson vacuum. There's the controller for the solar system right there. A router. Look at how beautiful that vanity is. Okay, once again for you, this is a Riverstone 39 RKFB at Happy Camper RV. This is the #1 selling floor plan from Riverstone. Doesn't really surprise me. It's pretty slick. One more look at the outside for you.